Okay, this is me and Ian and Will, and
We're doing a video, 101 ways to bug your parents, and our question is
like
do you think that Steve will be going to summer school?
I'm not like fully sure because I'm feeling like his parents are going to be like, okay, we made an agreement now. We're gonna not go to summer school, but you're going to creative writing class or something like that.
I feel like they might punish him I think they might punish him when they're in their vacation. They're not gonna by punishing him, I think they're not gonna let his friend come on the vacation, and they're gonna make him do some summer school stuff there because they already paid for the vacation. So I think that's what they'll be doing because it's 101 ways to bug your parents, which means probably that they're gonna do something and send them to a not fun place.
Yeah. What do you think, Will?
What?
About our question?
Oh, what I have to say is, I pretty much think you covered everything, but I agree with Ian. Like, with the back, it says that he ends up going to a writing class, so, yeah, they're probably going to say, like, you're not going to go to summer school, but you're going to go to the writing class instead.
Yeah. I think they're going to involve something with him going to, something on vacation, and I feel like I have just, a really big feeling that his friend's not going to be able to go on vacation with them.
But it says nothing about hiccup in the whole entire back thing, so I have a feeling he's not going to be.
I feel like they're going to punish him by not letting him go on vacation with them.
And they have to do summer school stuff.
Yeah, I feel like he's going to have to do summer school on his vacation.
Don't wear the rest of the day.
So yeah.
I feel like I'm actually going to feel bad for Sneeze, since his best friend isn't coming.
Yeah, because I just feel I feel like he's definitely going to not have his friend come, and that he's gonna be really mad at his parents. And considering the title,
that's why it's called
101 ways to annoy your parent or bug your parents. I think it might involve him pranking his parents for making him go to summer school. Yeah, or annoying them.
Breaking them?
Yeah, annoying.
Breaking them.
I'm done. Are you guys done?
Okay, so yeah, that was our video for 101 ways to bug your parents, and we'll see you in our next one.
Yep.